This was a good thing to get everybody together to help the needy people, because if everybody comes together, does even something small, it can make a difference in the people's lives.
I thank the organizers, a friend in need, Fashion for a Cause. It's been a fantastic day. Very difficult to judge the contestants from various fields and age groups. Absolutely cheers to Madhu and the team for conducting such a lovely event for us. Thank you.
I would like to thank AFIN and our organizers for the show, Ms. Madhu and Ms. Shobha. A great initiative for Walk for a Cause, and all the contestants were super fabulous. Women who walked the lamp, they just killed out the show, and we give them our best wishes and do continue this social cause. Thank you so much for inviting us and the jury for such a beautiful program.
So I would like to speak on behalf of Nirmahan. Nirmahan Green Infra Projects is a company based on 3 pillars. 1, contracting. 2nd, the construction chemistry and material. And the 3rd, the supply and apply division. We have partnered with FN to provide the needy. We want to do as a corporate social responsibility to help the friend in need, be it underprivileged, small kids who are, they are not been given the right to studies. So basically the entire concept of partnering is for the cause. Of course, the glamour is a part of it. It has been a wonderful event, and I would like to thank you as a press people covering such an event for us. It's been a privilege hosting this event and being a part of it. Thank you so much. So my partner Shobha would also like to add few words into that. Please, Shobha.
Thanks, Umar. So first of all, I would like to welcome you all on behalf of AFIN and NGPL, which is Nirmahan Green Infra Private Limited, LLP, sorry. And this is a great initiative we have taken up together for a cause, a friend in need. This is season 2. My organizer, co-partner, and Mr. Umang and Madhu is there. They have really done a wonderful job in making this event a great successful. Prachi, the anchor, Latika, the groomer, the good juries, beautiful juries out here, the chief guest. I thank all of them on behalf of FN and NGPL. A great success, and definitely we are looking forward to consider FN a long 100 years forward and look ahead for a cause, and a for cause which really this society needs among the poor and among the needies. Thank you, Mr. Umang, Mr. Rathod, Kuldeep, Tehzeeb, Madhu, Prachi and Latika for being a part of such a great show and making it a great success. और मीडिया वालों आपको भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आने के लिए और हमारा साथ
हमारे
देने
cover
के
करने के
लिए.
लिए.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody.
Good evening to all of you one present here. So I would like to thank this stage. I would like to thank Madhu for giving this wonderful opportunity as a groomer and as a guest of honor here present. I would also, I'm pleased to meet two wonderful people here who are doing a wonderful job out here. That's Nirman, that's Shobha, and that's Umang. And उमंग होती है तो लाइफ में जेस्ट भी होती है, तो उन्होंने एक नई उमंग दी है हमें. मधु बहुत ही प्यारी होती है, तो सबके नाम में कुछ ना कुछ जुड़ा है, तो हम सब एक साथ जुड़ के एक नई दौर की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सो थैंक यू वन एंड थैंक यू ऑल. अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. थैंक यू सुपर.
मैं 25 ईयर्स से मिस एंड मिसेस मुंबई पैजेंट्स करती आ रही हूँ और कोविड में ऑनलाइन नेशनल रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किया है. मधु मुझे 2 इयर्स से बोल रही थी कि आप शो में थोड़ा में हेल्प कीजिए, तो फर्स्ट टाइम मैं उनको, मधु का ये फर्स्ट टाइम मुंबई फैशन शो. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू मधु एंड द अदर ऑर्गेनाइजर्स. थैंक यू.
I'm the supporting partner for the show, the FN show, and the anchor for the show. I really thank Madhu, the co-organizer Shobha, and as she has given this opportunity, because Shobha has told me कि नहीं प्राची करना ही है, it is a walk for a cause, and I readily said okay. So thank you आप लोगों को, आप लोग यहाँ पे आए and you have graced the show. I thank everybody for this wonderful show, and I expect that the media will cover us every time because it is a walk for a cause and it's not just a fashion show.
थैंक यू. पैजेंट है या विनिंग क्राउन मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं था, क्योंकि ये कॉज है. जब कुछ पैसा जाता है अच्छे कार्य के लिए, वो वैल्यू होता है. इट्स कॉल्ड ब्यूटी विथ पर्पस. मिस इंडिया हो या मिस वर्ल्ड में ऐश्वर्या राय व्हेन शी वन, इट वाज अनाउंस्ड ब्यूटी विथ पर्पस. तो मैं चाहती हूँ जो भी खूबसूरत हो या खूबसूरती हो, इट शुड गो फॉर गुड कॉज, गलत काम के लिए नहीं, और ये बहुत सुंदर काम के लिए जा रहा है.
Thank you, media people. Without you, this event wouldn't been a great success. And most welcome to Latika. I came at the last moment. I was shooting for a film. I came at the last moment, and for Madhu also, and all the jury member and sir, Umang, everyone. I have received the award also today. I am very grateful.
थैंक यू सो मच.
अच्छा लग रहा है पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए. बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस मिला, अच्छा लगा इतने लोगों के सामने परफॉर्म किया. थैंक यू. ऐसे इवेंट्स और भी होने चाहिए, हमेशा पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. थैंक यू.
एक सेकेंड.